When you boot up your Windows 11 computer, the command prompt may sometimes pop up on the screen with the following alert. Now, if this also happens to you, here's what to do. First, try to clean boot your computer. And to do so, search for msconfig, click on it, click on Services tab, and select the checkbox that says Hide all Microsoft Services, then select Disable All, click the Startup tab, and open the Task Manager. Now once done, right-click on all the startup programs you want to disable, select Disable, and then save the new settings and check for the results. Additionally, uninstall unnecessary applications and programs. To do it, launch the Control Panel, click Uninstall a Program, select the program or programs you want to uninstall, and then select the Uninstall option. Next, change your terminal settings by searching Privacy and Security, go to For Developers, scroll down to Terminal, and use the drop-down menu to select a different terminal version. And those are the different ways in fixing this error code in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.